Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Roy, we got right at 72 and did not take me out there. You dirty dog. We're going to give me another chance. Been a long, if anybody didn't realize here. I need to go to and I will scale me out half and get me back green on the day. I had a green trade, then I had a red trade. So we're down. We're just trying to get this one to get green, and then we can do what we got to do on Take Profit Trader. But they got up to 71.75 and did not take me at 71.72. I mean 63.72, sorry. But hopefully we got one more little push in this. They got orders right below there, right above, right below. Tide is 6,800. I mean, Tide's in my favor. Tide's been in my favor all morning. Which when I took that short earlier, I had it and I should have just got out of it quicker. Held it just a tad bit too long, so came back, took me out. Now we're gonna hold this one a tad bit too long, and it's gonna come back and take me out again because it just can't break above us. Damn 70 and hold. Very frustrating so far. Tide is just a jumbled mess right this second, Roy. You got spaghetti from Tide. Volume is coming back, though. That's kind of the thing to watch.
Yeah, Tide, you got your volume increasing. It's coming back down here. You see call premium, but like Monty just said, it's a spaghetti mess up there. And then general market Tide is cooling a little bit, but it is pretty bullish. So you got to wonder if you'll see maybe a buy the dip opportunity here at Anchored VWAP. I don't have all my stuff on. Let me put all my stuff on.
Put all your stuff on.
Now I got all sorts of lines. We got plenty of lines to go through now. So this is now coming back, testing VWAP here.
Yeah, I don't like the lines. I don't like how it's testing lines. I don't like the wick it gave right below my damn take profit.
General market Tide, you're seeing this premium drop a little bit. You see volume kind of flatten. Slight downtick on SPY. So you are getting a push here. Now I got to see if this Anchored VWAP can hold. Looking over at Mag 7, Apple's flat to green. Nvidia's down 0.5%. Microsoft basically flat, just down 73 cents. Google just had good news. They're on the US AI vendor list. Them, OpenAI, and Anthropic. So then here's your wick forming. That looked like it's tempting. It's tempting. Let's bookmatch.
Yeah, I needed to match. Good morning, Howie, with your cup of coffee.
Morning, Howie.
Howie, you made your first million yet this morning? Oh, your put call premiums are turning back up. Volume is slightly elevated here. CBD is holding 57, 58. If it can give a little pop back up here, we could get a move back up. I just don't know where we go to. Like everybody knows, I need 72, but we'll see. We can come back off that a little bit. Let's do the 71. Love this. Love it, love it, love it. Just no really move here, Roy. So it's just kind of, we could just chop around the range for a while, which.
They get a spike on general market Tide here. We got a volume spike and an up premium turn up. And they're not seeing it on SPY just yet, but keep an eye on. I think my son's yelling at the video game out there.
That's a pretty good spike there on general market tide. I
Yeah.
don't know if I'll follow it, but
I mean, I like to
follow it, but go ahead.
Yeah, I like to see that. I mean, kind of piecing the puzzle together. I like to see that near VWAP. That does encourage me a bit for the long.
We'd love to see a spike in volume and SPY tide to match that general market tide, but we haven't got it yet. We're just kind of chopping around here.
Minute 40 on this candle. So you want to see the last half of this candle. Show us a little bit of strength. And I need 2 points. Give me 2 points.
Well, I'd like to have more than 2 points, Roy. So don't be greedy.
Well, I want you to get. I want 9 points. Give me 9 points.
There you go. 9 points would clear me out of everything, just so you know, and we would have a fantastic day.
Yeah, give me 9 points.
I don't even need 9 points. I need 7 points. 7 points would take me out of everything.
So those that didn't know, we had Trump interviewing CNBC this morning, a Squawk Box, first ever president to do so. He was asked a multitude of questions, one being obviously about tariffs, about the Fed chair, about all that stuff. He did confirm that Scott Bessent will not be the Fed chair. He's going to stay where he is as Treasury, which no surprise there, but there was a lot of rumors. Then you had another interesting note that he mentioned, which the market did not like, is he said he's going to announce semiconductor tariffs next week. Now, we don't know what that means, but all we know, we have had a hint that was coming. So obviously that will be an important part of the Chinese tariff talk. But so that was kind of the bearish part of the news. And then obviously everything else, he was very bullish on the U.S. economy and America, hottest country in the world, greatest everything. So we did have PMI come out, services, just before we went live. It basically came in line. Is that right, Monty?
Yeah.
And then we have ISM here at the top of the hour in 5 minutes. And not to steal a phrase from Monty, but this dirty dog got right on top of my cell and did not fill.
Yeah, I hate that. I'm with you, Roy. We will cut loose a little early today.
Yeah.
So everybody knows we're going to cut loose just a tad bit early.
And of course, it comes when we have 65 viewers and not 7 like yesterday.
Well, no, we've got 3 in YouTube, so it's all
okay. Good. All right. If you are watching us on X,
whoa. What just happened here? Roy? What just happened here?
A launch on. Oh, you got the Fear and Greed Index.
Did that really take it again?
No way. Right? No way.
Every time I didn't see the Fear, I don't see it on there yet. So, you sure it came out?
I flipped over on this. I'll refresh. Gonna bug out my thing. Oh, now it's not there.
I don't see it yet, but I mean it's not coming. I mean this thing's getting ugly now, Roy.
Bookmap showing.
Bookmap showing a decrease in CVD, but I mean it's got orders still up there. It's like this is coming down on no orders.
Yeah.
There's no way they've dropped this thing to pop it back up, is it? Not like this. I don't love Tide at all. I mean, it's just your premiums, though. Your volume's holding steady, which is very strange. You have a slight dip in the volume in general market Tide, but put calls are still going crazy. You had puts go crazy, but volume is actually starting to tick back up a little bit on SPY Tide.
Mm-hmm.
I don't understand this move. Is this a liquidity grab they had there, Roy?
Well, we got 2 minutes to data, so we got to figure out if we're holding or we're closing.
I mean, I'm holding until we break that 200.
Bounced right off of it, didn't it?
Well, I got close, but I just wonder if that was like a little trap set up.
Mm-hmm.
A little stop loss raid, maybe. A little bear trap going on here. I don't know.
Feels that way, doesn't it?
Well, sometimes feeling that way doesn't really matter, though, does it?
Data in a minute.
So they got all these orders sitting up there running at 75, which is very strange to me up there. Those orders have not moved all morning. Let's see what it's showing on the. I get my mouse. Where my mouse is? Where's you at, mouse? There you are. Let's see what the other one is looking like. Oh, I didn't like that. See, it's still showing those same orders and not showing anything else really with it.
40 seconds.
They've cleared orders to the downside, but these damn orders around 75 are still there. They did not clear those. They did not clear the ones at 6,400. Got 342 up there now. This is two. Oh, it must have been bad.
Wow.
Yeah, I just took a little whack. I took a whack. It rode right through my stop.
Yeah. No, that was weaker data. He was just financial juice guy was just rattling off the numbers, and I was trying to keep up with it, but it was.
I mean, it's not crazy. Since first PMI came at 50.1, forecast 51.1. That is a miss, but it was previous 50.8. Prices paid 69.9. That was higher.
Yeah, so price up.
New orders is lower.
Yeah. And then services and employment was lower than previous, 46.4, 47.
Let's let this digest for a second before we try to do anything.
Get a little wick here right in our kind of new little indicator. Buy power is at 66. So this shows kind of support resistance on the time frame you're looking at. I go back 150 candles. That was introduced to us by Monty's research yesterday. We got 84 bots and 5 real people. Crazy.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, we're going to let this digest. I mean, it's now broken overnight session low.
Yeah. Yep.
Listen to financial juice, homie.
I should have saved my damn Trade-O-Vate froze on me for a second there. I think we would come down and test this 50 range again, Roy, but I don't know.
Pretty strong wick. You're battling or below right now. So I'd like to see what this next candle has in store for us. 2 minutes.
Yeah, your put premiums are coming back. Call premiums are still shrinking. Volume is still on a little decline. CBD is back to 2,800.
Periscope. Forgot about you. Right at support here. Has some fuel to go back up if it wants to. Not a lot below it though. So if it breaks here, it could get ugly.
Yeah, it could. I've got $50 back.
There you go.
I think we're gonna do $50 at a time. I'm gonna tell you, it rolled through my stop loss and hit me for a big one. Yeah, it hit me for like a $700 loss. So, yeah, rolled straight through my stop loss. But you know what? Hey, I will finish today green.
There you go.
$50 at a time. I'm not worried about it. We can get it back. I'm good.
That's the motto.
I do need to go blow some steam real quick. So give me 2 seconds. Talk about life.
It's the motto of the street worker. So here we go. We've got get some weakness. I mean, that's a pretty strong candle. Shout out to Sadie on Twitter. If you guys don't follow him, you should. This is his volume indicator. It shows us 66% selling versus 34% buying on this particular candle. It's hard to be bullish right here, so you just got to be careful. Even though it did come up, form this wick, it's not a lot of push off of it to get back into like these EMAs. So what I'm doing is I'm kind of waiting, digesting it all, seeing what the market's going to do. I did want to take a short on that orb low test. That's that red line right here. But I did want to, I don't really like doing that off of data candles. So I'll let the candle close, see what this new candle does. It'll probably drill down to about 50, get a little support, and see what it does from here. You can get ahead of the move. Obviously, there was money to be made on the short side. To me, I'm just trying to be a little bit more cautious, but this is clearly a move down in progress. We look across the way. We've got Apple is green slightly. We've got NVIDIA down 0.4%. Microsoft pretty much where we were right before data. It's not a lot has changed. Tesla's being wild, down 305, up 312, back to 310. Tesla just being Tesla. Apple's gaining some momentum here. This could be enough to hold the market at least in place, even if we do have a little trend down. It may not be as violent if Apple is getting bidded up. But oddly enough, over the last few times, and there's your 50 test as we push down, you see this bar will start to move down with it. So we're looking at anchored VWAP from yesterday, 63.47. Yeah, that short looks even better now as you see the Bollinger Bands just kind of curling down, VWAP curling down clearly as the market's moving down. But back to Apple, there's this weird kind of relationship happening where the market goes down, Apple's kind of going up, and then when the market rips up, Apple's kind of lagging behind it. So I don't know what that's about. Old conventional wisdom that Apple's flight to safety. I don't think you can really say that nowadays with them being a little bit behind on the AI tech front, but maybe that's why. I don't know. Something to pay attention to. A couple stocks I am monitoring. App11. I did close out my position yesterday on this. They have earnings tomorrow. What's very interesting about App11 and their earnings, and I'll take this off so you guys can see what I was seeing. If you like to gamble, here you go. Here's a gamble for you. This was a formation. This is a daily chart. So we had a gap up, push up, kind of chop around. Earnings big pop, right? So look what we've got brewing here. We had a gap up, chop around, drop down. Here's your chop, and your earnings are tomorrow. So could it follow the same pattern? Dun, 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 dun. I was just playing kind of this momentum heading into the earnings. So I don't play earnings. It's too much of a crapshoot. But for those of you that like, Apple Oven's an interesting one to play around with. Apple's now breaking over 204, which I imagine the market's going to push up with it a little bit. So, though we did get a break down there so slightly of 63.50, it did recover it and now push it back higher. So what I'd like to see is a rejection here at this org low, the 57.50. If it rejects, comes and shows some strength coming back down, then I think I can look to take a short to maybe capture that downside move. Right now, this candle is telling me just watch. Be patient.
Yeah, you got orders down at, well, hold on. You got red now at 45. Not a ton of orders sitting there. We do have a block sitting there, which tells us there is more order sitting there.
I can't believe it got all the way up there and almost took us out. And
I know. I did just get $50 more.
Good. Good.
So we're just going to chip away.
I don't know if anybody got my street corner reference, but I was proud of that one. The candle formation, just from a pure candle formation here on the 10-minute, is absolutely brutal. If you look at it, you've got engulfing candle prior, broke below anchored VWAP and is now headed down, finding some support here at yesterday's anchored VWAP and 63.50. So Apple continues to push higher, though. Got a little mojo in Apple. I do have Apple calls, so I welcome that.
That's good.
I'm betting on Timmy Apple to sort out this AI stuff soon. I think they buy Anthropic. Label it Apple AI chat, and then just try not to build your own. Just buy it. That would be my guess. Push up here is, I mean, that on the 5-minute looks like a reversal candle previous, right?
Yeah, it does. I mean, we got that wick on the 10, but I don't love it at the moment to go up, but it could. I mean, we still got those orders sitting up there at 72 to 75. That's a lot of orders sitting up there.
Buy tide, you see your call premium dropping, you see your put premium dropping, you see your volume, well, a little slight tick up.
Slight tick up. Yeah, that's where we're getting this move from.
General market tide, you got a slight tick up in volume as well. I don't know. It's not obvious. This is not an easy trade from here, right?
No, I like it to come back down though, because this wick is, it got up around 56, rejected pretty decently. We could go back and test this low down here where that anchor VWAP from yesterday is still sitting at. Didn't quite touch it on the 10-minute, but went right below it on the 5-minute. So this is not a bullish candle coming after that, what should have been an indecision candle. So
I took a short, got my $50 with you.
yeah, I'm guaranteed $50 short. I'm trying. I got my take profit down here. I'm gonna actually put it at like 46C, but I am trailing it. So if it does pop back up, I got at least $50 back.
That 3 trades, 150. Pretty good.
Need a little more push down here. I want it to break that 49 level down there.
That is a spot. We do have buying power at 66. That's not that strong for this support resistance indicator. Like to see that over 70.
Look at Roy. Look at Roy learning.
Like that. There was one I was watching. It was like buy power was like 85. I was like, okay, don't mess with that one. 62, 39, 50 on the hourly is a 77 buy power. Yeah, 62. That's a long way away. So you don't have to worry about that. Hopefully you do have to worry about that. It's bad on this 50. Gotta believe it's decision time.
All right, I got 125 back.
Ciao.
Now I don't want to touch anything right now.
My son is having some sort of epic battle in there. Just him and his imagination, I guess.
CVD's come back to 1500. You are getting a little pop and call premiums here.
I'm gonna walk out to that living room and it's gonna look like my portfolio.
It could be worse.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Here we go.
There's the test. Do we bounce here? Do we bounce off this low or do we break down? CVD is not looking great. Call premiums are coming up a little bit now. Your put premiums are too. Volume is a little sideways. I'm a little come on, just a little more pop there, and I get 50 more bucks back. There it is. There's 50 more bucks back. I took it long there. That was fucking ballsy.
That was ballsy. That was bongo size cup there. It could work. I mean, was that you like the 48 level, so
I think we're gonna break this thing down, Roy. But well, there we go. I'm in a short. I'm guaranteed 50 bucks again. Just gonna tell you, it took me out there at 37. So I am not 450 down on the day though. We were over 700, so we got 300 back. Right at 300 back. Slowly but surely. Roy, you froze?
no, I'm just thinking.
Okay.
Sorry, I was just thinking. I was deep thoughts.
I mean, you weren't even moving anything.
My it's that SNL deep thoughts with Andy. Let's throw back. Bounce right off anchored VWAP. I was debating to go long. Did not go long. Don't like a long.
Well, I'm trying to scalp a quick long, so. We'll see. I'm not a huge fan of it, so nobody follow me on this one.
If you ever do follow us, that's your own damn fault.
Yeah, never follow us, especially when we say don't follow us.
Yeah. Let's see, 46.75 is the kind of spot of this support resistance, I think.
Yeah, we could break down here. Put premiums just spiked big time.
I need one damn tick. Come on. Oh, you little. There we go. We got it. All right. We got our 150 on Top Step on an XFA.
Yeah, I just lost a little bit. I tried that long quick, and I had my stop pretty tight.
I don't think it was a bad objective long for a scalp. It just kind of caught you a little bit. VIX is up 3%, back over 18. TNX 4.2, slightly green. 4.21, sorry. Dixie's slightly green, 98.95. Gold's basically flat. So you're not really getting much of a macro development here to suggest a huge breakdown.
30-minute chart is ugly, but it is showing a spot right here that we could bounce out of. Right down, it's got a lot of room to run, like down at the 6,300.
Today a day, you just take a short and come back to your account and hope for the best.
That probably wouldn't be a horrible idea, Roy.
Yeah.
I would like it to pop up around that 50 first. But I don't know.
I feel like I'm getting the same bots liking all my tweets on the Twitter machine. I go to their profiles and it's very clearly a bot. Which is kind of weird.
And I was in a long. I took 30 and she could have waited for 50. I got nervous. And just missed my order on a little short here. Son of a bitch. Now I'm going to cancel that order out so it didn't pop up and hit it. I don't know. We might can.
I feel like we need some like background music whenever we're in trades.
I did find a thing. There is something where we can go listen to music. It's going to be like generic stuff, but it is royalty free.
Let's see, rock.
I'll have to find it and send it to you.
There you go.
Yeah, I think it was better than that.
Oh man. Whenever I make a really terrible joke, this thing's gonna come in handy. So when we're in a short and it's going in our favor, we're gonna go rock music and blast it.
Come on down to 42. 42.50. That's what Bookmap's showing me. Oh, well, you got 43.75. You dirty dog. You missed my take profit by a tick on a short here. I did re-enter the short. Missed it, then got back in, and now I'm trying to get $80 on this one. I just don't know if it's going to give it to me. I've hit 50 like 3 times. I probably should just take 50. But I like it to come to 42.50, so I got my take profit at 43.25. It just came down with 2 ticks, hit 43.75. I'm looking at this 30-minute chart, Roy, and it's not pretty. Got me there. All right, now we're...
Holy hell, that's a disgusting chart.
We're only 480 down now.
Golly. Oh man, that makes me really damn biased.
What does?
30-minute chart.
30-minute charts are ugly. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
We did bounce off
92.
400 down here.
This candle is 93% selling, 6% buying.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, you had some buyers step in there, move it up a little bit, now back. If we can break the 400 here, we should be able to test 40. There it is. Can we get the test to 40? We got 41.75.
No, let's take out the rock music on.
Is that what it is?
That's what it is.
I did find out we can play snippets as long as we don't have 25 seconds of music. We're probably okay.
Nah, 24 seconds.
And then wait, and 25 seconds, and wait, and 25 seconds, and wait.
There we go. I do have a friend that has a below average band. We could use his music.
You got what?
I have a friend that has a below average quality band. We could use his music.
Okay.
You know, this guy keeps me puzzled. Oh, Apple going up as the market goes down. I was tied.
I got $50 back. I'm 430 down now.
Like tied. I mean, that volume just slowly declining. All premiums are like, we want to go on a long walk on a short bridge, but I guess that's the theme. Slowly grind down. To be honest, on that semiconductor tariff news, I'm surprised we're not down more. I mean, a pending tariff catalyst on the hottest sector of the market.
Well, not only that, I think they just poured cold water on the rate cuts too.
Oh, did
Only thing that could save the rate cuts. Job data is coming in weaker on everything right now. So
yeah, CPI is next week.
In 25 seconds. There, he pays attention. All right, there's 50 more bucks. Now we're 380 down, Roy.
Look at this guy. He's scratching and clawing. I got 4 minutes before I got to go. I can make a whole village in that time.
Village, Roy. It takes a village.
We've got this 40, man. I mean, there was really no reason to sell my put or my short.
Tyler said we are at the 20-day SMA. That one's okay to mention, right? Yes. I'm okay.
Wow, look at this thing.
Yeah, just think if we'd have held that original short, we would have probably made everything back up.
I mean, look, I was calling it out while you were doing your break. This guy, look at that. Didn't quite test or blow. I was saying here, you get a breakdown, you get to come back, maybe get a rejection or a blow, and then boom. I entered the short here, 53.50, and then sold it for like 3 points because I don't know if I can't say the word I want to say, but maybe I could, but I don't want that on record. It's frustrating because, golly day, man.
Yep.
That's like 14 points. And there's really nothing that I was worried about. I could have put stop at break even and never got taken out.
Yep. CBD back above 1,000. Does it hold? Does it start to? Is this where we start our descent back up? I don't know yet. You got orders down here right below us.
Well, you look at this 15-minute chart, and it's telling you, how long we're going to go. You're getting a little bit oversold territory, so you could see a bounce. Just a temporary one to clear up those conditions.
Yeah.
And old Apple ticking up. All right. I do need to log off. Mine, are you sticking around? Are you going to hop off?
No, I'm going to hop off too. I'm going to try to scalp a little bit. I won't be much help to you guys right now because I wouldn't be talking to you. If you notice, I'm kind of concentrating on trying to scalp my day back. So I'm going to do this a little while. Then I've got to maybe run to the doctor. I got an infection on my knee. I'm trying to get straightened out. So, yeah, I don't know yet. We're going to see how it plays out. Feels a little better today, so I might not, but I need to look at it really close and check it out. So I'm going to leave it, Roy. So everybody, appreciate you being here today. Thank you, guys. Today is Tuesday, so we still got a couple days left.
Yeah, sorry to cut out early, guys. I just had a meeting pop up that I got to do. But next week, I'm back to normal, thank goodness. Kids back in school. And
that's what he says now. Yeah. Famous last words.
Never normal, but we'll play it by ear. But thank you guys for all tuning in. We appreciate you. Even if majority of you are bots, thank you. And we won't use any derogatory language like clanker or any of that stuff. So
we'll learn how to speak Russian.
Yeah. Harry, Howie, thank you as always for commenting, being a part of it, and we will see you guys tomorrow.
See you guys later. Appreciate it.
Bye.
Bye.